Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, my friends. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. What's up? What's happening, my friends? Good morning. Let's get this. We're going to get everything set up inside Team Bowl. What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? What up? What up? What up? What is going on? Check. All right. What's up, my friends? What's good? What's good? What's good? Let's see. Yep. Let's go scrolling. Boom. Boom. Okay, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It was good to the TikTok as well. Was good, was good, was good. Good morning. Was good. Watching your videos all morning. That sounds like a damn good start to the day. What's up, guys? What's up, Jeff? Ash, La Quinta managers. What's going on? What time do I get on live every day? Around this time, around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Ish. Hello from Dubai. Hello. I'd love to come visit someday. What day that ends up being, I don't know, but I'd love to come visit someday. Don't bleed. And once I can get into the Zoom. It's your birthday. Cheers to 29. Happy birthday, bro. Four years into trading, you're starting to get to that time where a lot of traders turn the mark. You just gotta stick with it, my friend, and double down. Go twice as hard. Yo, quick question: is it required to use a computer to trade, or can you use an iPad? I recommend having a computer. It's not necessary. It's not in the rule book. You have to use a computer, but it sure does help with a lot of things. Nuclear upside, yeah. This market just every single sell off we get, or every single retrace we get, we're just buying it right back up. We still have a gap to fill 2 to 835, so that could be in play today as well. We'll go over that in a moment. What is good, everybody? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Yeah. Here goes me saying it might be a choppy day. We'll end up having a nuclear day to the upside. You should have been able to get... So the webinar I had Saturday, we just had to make a new link. It was on my story. It was blasted on SMS. It was blasted in email. And it was also blasted... it was blasted everywhere. You should have been able to get in. We ended up having to do a little shift in plans, but everyone that was there seemed to really like it. I actually premiered J. That's actually, it's a good reminder. Don't. Let's see, was this yeah, Q2 FB was good, everybody. Happy Monday. Getting everything done, and then we'll be ready to go. There's a freeway. Jdun. Damn, in 2 weeks. 2 weeks and 1 day from today, I will be leaving for vacation. I'm going to miss you guys. I'm going to be missing y'all. Oh, I'm free. Don't. All right, guys, we got 15 minutes. Well, I guess our algorithm is doing all right so far to start the day. I'm getting the haters in early. That's a good sign, guys. That's a good sign. It means we're going to reach more new traders today. Let's go. I appreciate you, Brucey Woosey. Appreciate you, dog. Yep. We'll turn the haters into believers. So that's what we do usually. If they were here last week, I don't know how anyone could still be a hater. Grizzly is going live too today. Yep. You already know. Good morning, everybody in Team Bowl. How was everyone's weekend? You couldn't really lose last week. You'd be surprised. Even when the market moves straight up or down, you'd be surprised how many people don't capitalize on that, which that isn't to be rude to anyone who didn't, but it's just true. You looked like you had fun. You had a fun time with those dance moves. I was just vibing. It's funny. I was looking at my DMs after and I seen that video. I was like, oh, heck no. Yeah, we're 2-0, baby. We got the dub in hockey and we got the dub in basketball. We got another game tonight. I'm not going to go tonight, though. I always look at Tesla. Oh, you're seeing the price. I see the issue. That's the issue. All right, fellas, let's go. There we go. That makes sense. That makes a little more sense. All right, fellas and ladies and gentlemen, we have 12 minutes till open. Yeah, dude, I having people message me. If you seen that clip on TV, they're like, Jdun, is that a beer? And I was like, okay, for one, it's in a paper cup, but for two, I don't know whether to be offended that you would think that I would A, drink after 23 months, or B, I might be even more offended that you think I'd break my sobriety for beer. Huh? You realize I've never even had a beer. I've tried I think 8 sips of beer in my entire existence as a human being. I've never in 29 years had a full beer. Ever. I'm like, so I don't know whether to be offended that you think that I'd drink or that I drink beer. Like, if I was drinking, come on. If you've been rocking with me for a while, you know what would be in, you know what I'd be sipping on. I'd have a nice big old margarita tuned up if I was drinking. Like beer? Beer? Hell no. No. I mean, I don't even drink. I'm almost at 2 years. On May 5th, it'll be 2 years. And I think that I'm going to re-up my contract. The contract I make with myself. Because if you remember, I had only planned to not drink for 1 year. That was the original plan, is I wasn't going to drink for 1 year. And then I was going to reevaluate. And then I re-upped it another year. So I think that I may re-up it another year. I don't need alcohol. The Matrix wants me to drink. I say no. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. I'm not tired at all. I feel great. I feel incredible. I passed my eval and Vanquish last Friday. Let's make some real money. Let's do it. Let's get it. And I also got my stitches out this weekend, which has been great. I got the stitches out of my knee. Do you realize when you do? My knee feels great, guys. It feels so good. Just bought 10 more evals with your code. Appreciate you using code Jdun. Trying to get 10 funded rolling. Let's get it, Mac. Choose DOD. Choose DOD, my guy. I don't have any lucid evals. I have some lucid fundeds, and I'm not sure if I'm going to start them. I'll probably start them tomorrow. I still have not touched them. Yo, Grizzly Glock, you here today? I gotta just wait. Do you say something? Am I tripping? Okay. Yeah, I can't hear you. What's up, bro? You're looking at the charts. Ready for the week. How you doing? Good, bro. I had a great weekend, man. There's 3 signs that you will not make it as a trader. I've been wanting to share these on this beautiful Monday all weekend. So I think it's very important you understand. Number 1, sign number 1 that you will not make it and you will never make it as a trader if you refuse to manage your risk. You have to be willing to manage your risk and always protect the downside. Number 2, the second sign that you will not make it as a profitable trader is you refuse to learn a system-based strategy. You have to be willing to come into every single day and have a set strategy that you can execute, seek confirmations on, and repeat over and over. And the third telltale sign that you will not make it as a profitable trader in the stock market is if you were a grown-ass man and you were still celebrating 420. Leave that shit in the past, my guy. If you're a grown-ass man and you're celebrating a holiday smoking pot, I'm sorry, it's probably not going to work out for you, my guy. So we got the three based reasons why it will not work for some people as a trader. It is what it is, baby. I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules. I just call it how I see it. Oh, it's too good not to put out. Come on. We got people that are living paycheck to paycheck, not profitable, and saying, all right, well, I'm going to go blitz my mind out on 420. What? What? Oh, Gene's here. What's up, Gene? Oh, we're talking about 420, man.
Yeah, 420.
Yeah, 420. Yeah, super so sick. I just like, because like here's the thing, guys. It's just like, it's freaking 420. And I took 2 hits of the pot. I did the pot. I turned green. And like, now the market has to go up because I'm so freaking like just blasted off in the stratosphere and did so many pots. And now I'm just like, yeah, dude, send the market up. Pot. Yeah. Sky high, bro. Oh, all right. Okay, we got that out of our system now. Need to get that out of our system. Oh, man. Mega pothead. Yeah, all the pot. 2 months weed free. That is amazing. Even 2 weeks. If it's like stopping smoking is not an easy thing, guys. Not an easy thing. All right, we got 2 minutes till market open is here. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD. And let's get it, y'all. Let's make ourselves some moolah today. Appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you guys use code Jdun for any of your prop firm challenges. I will do my best to help you guys pass, get funded, and get paid. Yep, let's get it. How's your evals going you were working on? 40% there, I believe. Nice. Low and steady. Market's open. All right. I'm gonna lock in here. I'll let you know if I take something. What are you looking for today? You see anything you like? Maybe like a 26,700 now. But other than that, I'm just waiting on the ring. I got my Grisology up. You said you were watching what level for a bounce? 26,700 area. I can dig that. Pre-market low is way low. Asia low is at 26,535. Yeah. Huh. Interesting. Good trade, man. It's all it takes. As I was saying last week, we've had an aggressive set of candles to the upside. So eventually, I wouldn't be shocked to see us have some sort of consolidation. Is it today? I don't know, but could be. And if it is, we will be patient within it. We don't force trades. You choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. If you don't know how to operate on Tradeovate, trimming or copy trading, you need to watch my copy trading tutorial. It's really good. I'll post it like 5 times in the live chat. If you're new here, it's important that you know this is the copy trading tutorial. I just posted it. It's important you know I don't typically trade the first 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. I wait. I get a gauge on where price wants to head. And wait for the market to set up more. Can you copy my trades? You can. You haven't missed anything, bro. All right, everybody. Team Bull Money Team, Team DOD. Taking shorts just because you said that. I've been getting some great sleep lately. You saw that video of me dancing? I thought that was pretty funny too. I was like, damn, bro. They did me extra dirty. I did touch the ball. I was holding my damn coffee. Otherwise, I would have caught it. I was like, if I would have caught it, I would have freaking grabbed it and spun out my finger. Like a real baller. Give us a crisp order field. Can't yet. I had to catch everyone off guard. When I start to think y'all are asleep, and that's when the order filled comes in. I start to think y'all aren't paying attention. That's why when I got to hit you with the order filled. Make sure you're not slacking. Make sure you're on your P's and Q's. I pointed at that guy dancing on TV and told my wife that's my mentor and got a weird look. All the Grizzology indicator is it marks out key levels. It marks out pre-market high, pre-market low, point of control when it's in VWAP. Wait, why is my point of control? Oh, here it is. It's right here. I mean, there's other things you could do with it, but I just use it for levels. Bro, moves were flowing like a white boy. For a white boy, we got some motion dancing. Just saying. We got some motion. We got some motion. Yeah, we'll see. And we're in no rush to take anything, guys. You guys are day traders, not trade-everyday traders, and it's not Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. CJ Dunn getting down at the basketball game, got the moves. Yeah, I do, baby. Got the moves in the market and outside of the market. I do have partnerships with a few props, yes, but again, I don't advertise them as the end all be all. I think they're a good tool. And that's exactly what they are, is a tool. And I appreciate you guys when you guys use code JDown and support your boy. Come on. How many units do I normally trade with? Depends. Don't. I'm calm. All right, we got everything I need to get done on my computer. Now we're locked in and almost 15 minutes in. Almost to that point where we can start looking for some trend entries. This is kind of pulling the trigger on saying this early, but I do think right now it could be a little slower week to start, only because we've had such an aggressive move up. And it's just a little, every time you make new highs, it's a little sketchier trading at all-time highs. Like with how well I've been executing, I'd love to size up right now. The problem is that I don't like sizing up at all-time highs. There is Zoom. It's just private. It's part of the private. I took it off. Read for everybody. But you still got YouTube and TikTok free chats. I appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button if you're on YouTube, hitting that follow button in the top left corner if you're on TikTok. And also, you guys have like goals. If you guys get this to 500 likes, you unlock your first giveaway. So for the YouTube and you hit the thumbs up on the live, get to 500, you unlock your first giveaway. TikTok's got a ways to go. Y'all got to get to like 120K. I don't like sizing up at all-time highs. It adds in more risk, more stress. I mean, last week was amazing, but not every week is like last week at all-time highs. You know what's crazy is on Friday, we officially made a record for the most green days in a row. You guys know that? 13-day win streak. So if we have another green day today, that'd be 14 green days straight. We'd be making history still. I don't know about for the NASDAQ, it was 12. Wow, my max was 7. The record was last made back in 1992. It's crazy. Do what you want and do what you want. Do what you want. All right, we have VWAP at 700. That's a potential bounce. We can also watch for pre-market low as well. What's up, Gene? What's up, bro? You trading this morning? How'd it go? Gene requested another 2,000. What's that put you out on the month for payouts? Over 10? It's crazy. Gene's been killing it with the payouts. Killing it. That's the Team Bull way. Gene is indeed on fire. He's been heating up. Still in this 15-minute range. We haven't quite made it yet. We're just waiting. Trading smart, trading safe. What? I know he does. Oh, whoops. I just realized I was muted. How much have I made today? $0.00. It's only 14 minutes in the New York Open. How do you remove indicators on TradingView? Depends. All right, guys, our first 15-minute range is in. Our 15-minute range is in, everybody. Now let's wait and see what they give us. So your reminder to trade smart and trade safe and stay focused. Yeah, Gene lives with me. He lives in the basement. I lock him in his room to trade all night. I say you're gonna be locked in your room and trade Asia and trade London until you get $1 million in payouts. Sounds like a good idea to me. Is your strat really that simple the way you explained? I mean, I do my best to keep my trading as simple as possible. Sure, for sure. For sure. So right now there's not a whole lot besides the lower time frames to watch. Like if we go up to the 1 hour, you know, I'd love to see us get an upside entry and fill this gap up. Like 8:15. I think that's about the same. Let me see something real quick. 8:35 aftermarket from that dump. So I'd love to see us go and fill that up. You know what I'd love to see? In a perfect world, here's what happens, guys. In an absolute perfect world, it's not a perfect world, clearly, but we flush this 15-minute low or VWAP, and we get a strong reversal candle. We get a wick up. And then we get a candle up here with rising volume for a reversal. And then we try to take that reversal back to the upside. That would be an ideal situation. An ideal setup for us to get a reversal. I'd love to see us find a way up, but I don't want to buy a breakout at all-time high. It's like 8:36. 8:36. So we just don't have any data to work with in these higher time frames. That's why it's tough. Tougher when you get to all-time highs. Go to our daily chart. Same deal. Like, what do we work with here? Nothing. As we sell back down, you know, then we can potentially look at bounce areas and such. But you guys got to remember, we're on literally a historic run of green days. We're at 13 green days in a row. The more green days we make, the more history we make. Eventually, we'll sell back off a little bit. Just a matter of when. The trend is your friend. That's right. That is correct. Yeah, come on, Royal. You gotta be cool in the chat with everybody. Ninja Trader is having issues. Yeah, with logins. Yep. Tradeovate should be fine. Yeah, I wanted some interesting close here. Interesting close here, guys. We technically are valid for the orb. Closed here, less than 50% wick. Shorting this market just been a little sketchy. What's the high here? 770. I'm gonna watch for shorts in this area. I don't love it, but it doesn't look horrible. We're still above VWAP. Still above pre-market low. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I was watching that orb, but this market's been too strong. I think I'm gonna have to pass on it. I touched into this 50% retracement. I didn't take anything yet, guys. I've not taken anything yet.
Why do I like longs here? I'm just watching for bounce in this area. Quite a bit of confidence down there. I'm not looking for shorts because I tried shorts twice last week and it was only 2 losing trades I had.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. The orb looks okay, but with this market sentiment, not going to take it. There will be a time, I think, at some point this year we can rip the shorts. The second right now doesn't look like it's going to be it. Doesn't look like the second's going to be it, but our time will come again.
How much news or data today?
Nope. This week we have none. Tomorrow we have a little bit. We have pending home sales, and that's about it. Wednesday done. Thursday we have initial jobless claims and PMI. Then Friday we have consumer sentiment. So overall, pretty low week of data.
Don't worry, I'm sure Trump will decide something which we don't.
Something.
Get it rolling. Picture Trump like out golfing like how can I make Iran mad right now? Send the trigger the rage bit.
Take his phone. No tweeting during market hours anymore. Put it into law. Put it into code.
Tesla have earnings Wednesday? It's just not going to give us the entry at my bounce area.
Actually, don't look bad for reversal, for the reverse orb.
Yeah, if I pull back some, this worth is guidance alone.
Pull back to like 750s, maybe like 760. Stops below. Yeah. 750, you could even just say stops below low a day, almost like 34 points.
Probably the safest bet. And then you reach the breathe.
Yep, watching for a pullback for long, guys.
This is my rich credit high day, probably.
Watching for a pullback for long, everybody. I'd like to see us move back into here, long up.
Guess I'm gonna trade NQ, everyone. I'm not trusting you. Last week was wild with.
If you guys want to take my next trade with me, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun with any of our partner firms. Right now, Apex is 90% off. Lucid is 40% off, and Tradeify is also 40% off as well. Appreciate y'all supporting. I love Apex's new end-of-day drawdown plans.
You don't know what I'm watching. I'll let you know if I get in the way.
Come on, we're not going to get it, are we? We're not going to get it, are we? They're not going to give it to us. They're not going to give it to us. It's messed up. It's messed up, man. I wanted to see us move. Boom. Boom. Let's go see what ES is doing. What's that baby S&P 500 doing? I'll sometimes look at the S&P, but I prefer trading the NASDAQ. This could give us something too. Break, maybe retest, move up. Could definitely be a thing. I prefer trading the NASDAQ, but sometimes ES can give some opportunity too. She'll come here and there. She'll give us opportunity here and there. Just depends. Interesting. Touch a pre-market high and then reject. I really would just like to see a higher low made. This candle, I don't know why it had to be all wiki on us. It's kind of lame. It's being wiggy. Don't need to be like that. It didn't have to be like that. Jdun, why have you not traded? Jdun, I need to take a trade. It has been 30 minutes of market open, and I haven't taken a trade. My dopamine sensors are going crazy. I'm going to lose my mind. I feel like I'm itching out of desperation. I'm withdrawing from trading. Please give me a trade. The answer is no. We wait, we stay patient. We choose DOD, and we wait for A+ setups only. All right. My trading strategy is boring, but it gets you paid long term. Do not redeem the bad trade. All right, guys. Let's we're gonna find something good. Just gonna have to wait. Gonna have to wait, guys. I don't come in here and just start nuking off trades. If you're looking for a stream that just nukes off trades, for a trade that's nukes off trades, you're not trading with the right guy. If you're looking for DOD and to stop losing and stop going in revenge trading and tilt trading rants, you found the right spot. Oh boy. By watching you, I've built up my DOD. That's incredible, bro. All right, let's see here. I don't love that we touched pre-market high when rejected, but I still will watch for if we come down to this area for longs. And likely this have stops at like 725. So not a ton of risk there, only like 20 some points, 25 points. Looks like that might have been the bounce. 52. Just below, or just above, excuse me, our 750. I was hoping we could come down, wick into here, and then move back up. We didn't quite touch it on the NASDAQ. Maybe MNQ did. I wasn't watching MNQ. Oh wow, MNQ did. It's doing that same thing. You see that, Grizzly? MNQ is doing the same wick thing. It wicked down aggressively where NASDAQ didn't. I wasn't even watching NQ. I was watching, or MNQ. I was watching NQ. All right. Oh, come on. Do we try it? I have not tried anything yet. I have not taken anything, guys. I have not taken anything. I don't typically like to see strong reversal candles. This looked okay. Just not fully convinced yet. Not fully in love with the setup yet. I like it. I don't love it. I think it offers okay risk reward from a sense that you only have about 30 points of risk right here. I'd like to see a little less. I'd like to see a tad bit less. We'll see how this candle closes. Looks like we might get higher red volume with a strong close down. So we'll wait to see how this candle closes. We're being patient, guys, using DOD. That's a tough candle to short. We have full body down, minimal wick, and higher volume on the sell side. We also closed right above the 50% retracement. It's tough. I just don't quite trust it yet. I don't have full confidence in this move up yet. I semi like it. It's like when you meet someone and you really like them, but there's some red flags there. So you're just kind of like you're weighing out whether the red flags are worth the risk or not. That's what's happening right here on the NASDAQ. It looks all right. You want to take part in it, but there is some red flags in NASDAQ that we're just trying to figure out yet. We're just trying to figure out still. She could be a little crazy. We need to figure out if she's crazy or not. She's going to go bananas on us. She's being a little erratic right now. She's being a little crazy. Miss NASDAQ is one of a kind. I still think this could be a bounce area. I'm just not fully in love with it quite yet. So like if let's say we go from here and we rip up, I'm not gonna be super bummed to myself because the setup doesn't look. It's not like we have a perfect A+ setup and I'm just hesitating just cause, right? Then I get upset with myself. But if there's some red flags there where I'm not 100% certain, I'd rather just wait and I'd rather miss the move than force a setup. That's the mindset that will truly make you profitable, that will help you become profitable. Is when you stop caring about missing moves and you start caring about A+ setups. Who the heck's here? Gene, we just who's at the door? You might be what? No. Oh, window guys. Oh, you guys are all at the door. You're here, Santa. Give me a trade. This is why I wasn't super confident in those longs quite yet. What up? Oh. Oh. Yeah, right now we got the NASDAQ being like, yeah, I can't pick direction today. Mercury's in retrograde and my aura of upside needs space. The vibrations aren't aligning. Capricorn's rising. And this Venus moon is just not giving me the ability to move up or down. So that's how Nasdaqita's being right now. That's the vibe she's on. So we just gotta let her chill. Let her chill, all right. Just let her relax. Let her find her way. Someone's like, damn, you talking about my wife? Oh, man. Am I into cars? No. I'm actually looking to get my first payout to buy my first nice car. I drive a 2012 Honda Accord, and so as soon as I can get a payout from trading, I'm looking to upgrade. Maybe like a 2020 Honda.
No trade for me yet. Team Wolf, I was watching that very closely. There's a trades.
Twice the shame on you. Oh, do you mean 2012 Honda Accord is an amazing car? I love my Honda.
Is it 2012?
Yep.
Our daily driver. My truck is just too big for these back roads.
I honestly,
My daily driver will be, but I'm gonna find something.
yeah. See, I knew Nasdaqita was on moon and retrograde type vibes. Nasdaqita's being a hippie right now. Our baby Nasdaqita. Gene loved his first hockey game. Bro was cold the whole time. All right, so this right here, this candle right here, if we can get a strong move, strong candle with rising volume, this is a setup where I'd look for a retest down and then rip up. Held this 50% mark multiple times. I like to see us close strong, slight pullback, move up, and then stops confirmed below this low. So I am willing to try that. If we get the close that I want to see. If we don't get the close, then I won't do it. Does Apex still do payout on legacy accounts? Yes. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button. If you're on TikTok, I trade live every single morning. All I ask is you take 2 seconds, hit that follow button in the top left corner, and allow me to earn your trust and earn your time on this live. I do my best to give you guys value every single day and to feed you non-BS trading education. There's a lot of people feeding you BS day in and day out. Not here. Appreciate y'all subscribing on the YouTube as well. I'm live on YouTube every morning with full screen share. Still nothing for me, guys. It's not the candle I was looking for. Not the candle I was looking for. Jdun, I heard you were really 4'6" and just use impressive camera angles. That's right. I'm inside a paid group and I'm here with you. I love the way you trade them new. What's DOD? Discipline over dopamine. It's a phrase that we use and a lifestyle we use that you need to stay disciplined and choose discipline every single day. And avoid cheap, garbage, self-destructive dopamine that consistently is sabotaging your trading and the progress you're making. You're about to take a bad trade? DOD. You lose a trade and you're thinking about revenge trading? DOD. You're following a diet in real life and you're thinking about eating a nice fruit snack in the cupboard? DOD. You're sitting in bed comfy, you don't want to hit the gym, you want to hit snooze on your alarm? DOD. You get what I'm saying? It all comes together. The discipline you choose in your daily life directly correlates with the discipline you have in your trading. You're not an undisciplined person and magically become a disciplined trader. Saw you on TV at the playoff game. That's awesome. And a few people kept tagging me on that. It was so funny. The ball came flying at me. I was like, what do I do? I was holding my coffee. Well, yeah, I didn't want to spill my coffee. That's why I was like, oh, crap. And right now, guys, Lucid is also 40% off. I recommend the 50K Pro accounts, one-day pass. If you guys are looking for a new firm to try, we added Lucid to the arsenal. Damn, thank God we didn't take those longs. That would have stopped it out. All right, I got to use the restroom quick. I'll be right back before this candle closes. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back.
Hola, compas. ¿Qué pasó? What is going on?
He's an imposter.
I'm not. Wait, I brought you coffee. Imposter brought you coffee.
Imposter. The Yawn Master. The Jdun Disco Tanning. Yes. What are we supposed to do with this clothes? What are we supposed to do with this clothes? The whole candle here is about 40 points, of which almost half of it is wake up. That was Juan Dunn, not Jdun. That was my twin Juan. That was Jay Juan. I'm Jay Dunn. That was Jay Juan. Juan Dunn is insane. I got nothing yet, guys. Just waiting. Am I only going to take long trades today? I mean, that's been the trend. So I am looking for that. But if we saw some aggressive downtrend, I'd look for shorts. I'm a trend trader, guys. Over time, you're going to have more luck trading the trend than you are trying to catch tops and bottoms. This looks like it wants to move back up. If I had to take a stab, I'd still say longs. I would still stay longs. I'm not fully convinced yet, but we'll see how this candle closes. We got two bounces off 720. I'm making another long form video for you guys this week too. Another long form YouTube video. You guys have been really liking those. Making some more heat for y'all. And of course, when you're trading live with me every morning, you basically get a boot camp every day. And you get me screaming at you to choose DOD. And these are our last 2 full weeks trading together before I go on vacation. You gonna miss me? I'm gonna miss y'all. Gene will still be on with you guys. The Yawn Master will be. You guys are in good hands with Gene. Yep, you guys officially unlocked one giveaway. You unlocked a 50K Apex account. They do have internet. I'm just going with my family. I'm trying to chill. I don't want to stream. I mean, I might get on. I might get on like the Zoom inside Team Bowl. Here's the deal. If you guys, I'll say this every day almost till we leave. But if you guys want access to my private community, maybe I'll get on the Zoom inside Team Bowl. You can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. The paid part isn't open anymore. You don't see me advertise it, but sometimes I'll do like Free Friday. Maybe I'll put something together on stages just while I'm gone. You can DM me on IG, Jdun Trades, for access. You like anything, Gene? I don't see anything I really like.
I'm not trading for it anymore. If I take something, it'll probably be on Evos.
You get the glass stuff figured out, Gene?
Yeah.
All right. I'll be gone. I'll be gone from Tuesday the 5th through the 13th. I might still get on Zoom a little bit. I just won't be able to share my screen or anything. I'll have my laptop, but I'm going to chill. And most days I probably won't trade. Honestly, I really want to take a break. I haven't taken a break from trading or streaming for like a really long time. It's been a hot minute. It's been a grip. It's been a grip of time. I mean, I love what I do. It doesn't really feel like work. So that being said, I wouldn't mind taking a little break ski. Gene, are you ready to be Jdun for a week?
Yeah.
Gene, yeah, just go hang from a bar for like 20 minutes a day. Need to add a few inches. Make me alive. Yeah, they said hide your Porsche accuser. Gene may put some extra miles on it. I already said Gene's scared of the Porsche. He says it's too fast. It actually is pretty intense to drive. Let me change this to 0 for 0 on the day. Price action's looking a little fishy. What? What's the issue? Oh. Because I haven't taken any trades yet. I'm 0 for 0. I put 0 for 0 because I haven't taken any trades. I'd still like to see. Like right now, price, and let's say we don't have a clue what previous trend has been, like this massive historical run we're on, I'd say this price looks like it wants to continue down. I'd watch for move to like 750 with stops above like 776. The 2RS does definitely want to off you for sure. Okay, I changed my screen on TikTok to no trades yet. Is that more clear? Apparently, we don't understand 0 for 0, so we'll put no trades yet. It's also a Monday. It's also a Monday, guys. We haven't had any real trend today. To stay impatient waiting. My ultimate goal and the reason behind these live streams is to help you guys stay disciplined, trade smart, trade safe, and not blow yourself up. I don't care about your wins. I want you to avoid unnecessary losses. I always say this to people. I say, imagine if just this year you could go back and erase half of your silly losses, half of the losses that you should have taken or you shouldn't have taken, and setups that weren't there but you took anyway. I bet a lot of you would have significantly more money. You'd have significantly less red and more green, just erasing half of the dumb trades you've taken. Not even half of the losses, but half of the trades that you knew you shouldn't have taken. You revenge traded, you tilt traded, whatever it may be. If we can erase those, then you're gonna be in much better shape. It happens, J Trades. Let it be a lesson. I would also have a lot more money if I took half the trades I did not take because I was DOD. Yeah, that's just not true. Yeah, sure, you might miss a move, but if you're being disciplined and you're trading smart and trading safe, you're ultimately going to have a lot more success over time. More trades does not mean more money. All right, let's see how this works. Let's see how this goes here. We have 30 more seconds on this candle. Still nothing from you guys. Can full port. I would not full port shorts personally. This is a very interesting candle because we have solid wick up, touch VWAP, close right around 15-minute low, and higher volume. There's not a lot of directional full decision here. So again, just waiting. Quick reminder too, if you guys want to take my next trade with me, you can use code Jdun on Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, or FFF. If you're trading options, you can get funded with Vanquish. They're 50% off using code Jdun. We have more and more traders trading with Vanquish, getting funded and getting paid. VWAP doesn't mean anything. I disagree with that, but maybe it doesn't for you. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of value adding VWAP back to my charts. You see anything you like, Grizzly? You still here? Do Irish could buy us? It's not a 2-bar with that wick. Look at this wick right here. The trend sure is technically down here, but we have candle 1, then look at candle 2. Look at this wick up. What's up, Grizzly Glock? You watching anything? You take any trades?
Oh, it's not giving me anything. Hey, that's
Yep. Let's see if it gives us something here.
30 seconds. I better get it together. Nothing not taking shorts. Oh, it looks. You just can't look at that negative delta.
This price action is garbo. Yeah, not great. This price action is not incredible. It's not super great. Hopefully everyone who came to my webinar on Saturday got a lot of value. It didn't go as planned at the start. We had some technical difficulties, but I did my best to still deliver some absolute heat for you guys. I thought it went pretty well. She almost left me because of all your shirtless pics holding. I still don't fully trust this move down. Still am not fully trusting this move down. We'll see how this next 5-minute candle closes. Should be awesome. I didn't plan on posting that replay. Do you think I should post? For all who attended that webinar I did Saturday, do you guys think there's enough value to where I should repost it as a full video? Who wants it posted? Who wants the replay? I did loads of value. Yes, yes. All right. I'll ask the back end team. So listen, I'm being held. They all have their pitchforks out. They said post the video. Well, I think we're gonna be looking for move back up or retrace, then move down. I still don't fully trust this move down. I think it's potentially worth watching for a retrace up if we can close this candle weak with tight stops. All right, let's see. I will potentially watch for a retrace back up to here for shorts. I don't love it. I gotta say, I don't trust it fully. I think it looks okay. I'd love to target pre-market low. We have VWAP here. We also have 50% retracement here. Previous day low or previous low of day. It'd be like shorts here at 7:15 area, stops at like 7:40. I'm potentially looking for shorts. I think it looks okay. Oh, come on. 709. Why couldn't we get like 6 more points up to 715? Was that too much to ask for? I'm not chasing shorts down here. Nope. No way. No way. Might move down, don't care. You guys gotta understand, you don't have to trade every day. I don't care if I trade every day. Like last week, absolute heat-seeking missile of a week. 4 out of 5 days, we had 100-point trades. This week, I could go the whole week and not take a single trade and have no FOMO. I have no disappointment. If I didn't follow my plan, sure, I'd have disappointment. But besides that, too many people are hell-bent on catching every single move, and ultimately it's going to end up being your downfall. I appreciate y'all being here with me too, everybody. Oh. Oh. I don't fully trust the downside either, just to be completely honest with you. I will still potentially try it at 715. Let's see. It's an interesting candle. Close right here. Damn, that 715 ended up being it right there. Damn, right off VWAP. Let's see how this goes. 7:15, 7. Damn, that was it. That was it right there. I didn't take it, but that was it. You'd have to have, technically speaking, even if you got entry at, let's say, 7:15, you need... oh, my gosh. Wow. I can't believe I hesitated there. Wow. 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 Whoops. Wow. Wow. That has to be news. That's got to be news. That's got to be news. Wow. 720 to 6. That is insane. What in the actual heck? That had to have been news. What was the news there? Touch pre-market low. All right. What was the news, guys? What was the news? What was the news? That was definitely news. Wow. Wow. I can't believe I hesitated there. That was lame. Now, if we can get, if it wasn't some news that's going to keep driving us down, I actually like the idea of touch that pre-market low and then work our way back up. Sweet pre-market low and then move back up. I actually like the idea of that. Oh, that's it. Highly unlikely he extends the ceasefire. There's the news. Damn. Yep, that's it. That'll do it right there. That'll do it. Let's see how. We have a minute and a half left in this candle. I think we could still get some really good price action here. I can't believe I fumbled that entry right there. This one was fumbled. This one was fumbled like freaking Butterfingers. It's all right. Don't. Yeah, no, I mean, it was news too. So, like, yeah, it was cool seeing that move down, but it was also news based. It could have gone the opposite way. I always think about that. I'm like, well, yeah, the news gain would have been cool, but also, like, it could have gone like that too. So, you know, it is what it is sometimes. Yep, I'd rather fumble it than flop for sure. It's the low here, 612. I wouldn't short this candle, no. Even if we do continue down, it's very risky. It's very risky for sure. If we didn't have news, I'd say this typically I'd look for a long on a higher low of this candle and move up, but that news could drag us down. And that's some pretty significant news. The whole reason that we started pumping was because everyone thought the war was over. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle closes. Woo! Sorry, it is what it is. Yeah, that was it right there. That would have been the one. That's the one that got away. Damn, Grizzly did Irish goodbye us. Oh, his live got cut off. All right, well, here we are. Hello. Do you think you'll still be able to make a trade? Maybe. We'll see how we react on here at pre-market low. It honestly depends on the merit of that news and like how the market takes that. Trump drop right at the spot we were watching. Right at it, bro. Right at it. Oh, no, Grizzlies Live cut off, I think. Let me get cut off or something. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, make sure you guys tap in and hit that follow button. I trade live every single day on YouTube and TikTok. I am not in a trade. Nope. I was watching that 7:15 area and I just didn't do it. There's no excuse. I just got spooked. $700 payout today. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Oh boy, sometimes no trade is a win. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I like that setup. It just didn't end up working out. That Trump's probably watching our stream. That's what it seemed like with that. $700 payout is legit. Maybe this like 550 area could be a good bounce area. The previous high up here. What's up? What's up, Grizzly Glock? Yeah, you back? I heard you for a second. I'm taking my $500 in the day and I'll be back tomorrow. Nice job. Go enjoy your day.
Got me under your name for some reason. I don't know.
Yeah, you can be Jdun for the day.
So weird. I heard a loud noise and like my power surged. I don't know.
Huh.
Enough to knock off my internet for a second.
You still watching that bounce area on like 550?
575 to like 535.
Yeah, that's that Grizzology bounce area. It actually looks good on the chart too.
Our short trades back in play. I figured I would let one play out and watch it before I tried one this week.
And I was about to take that 715 area, bro, and I just didn't.
Man, right here's a good short as well.
660, a little higher. I'll watch like six. You have like 50 points of risk here. That's what I don't like. Pre-market low does look good. That pre-market low test. I want to see it a bit higher with how much risk it would entail. See if we can get a bit higher, move up. Oh, come on. And it's going to take out low day, which is also going to invalidate that setup almost as a whole. Not entirely, but. Yep, I know. That's why I didn't take it too, man. Now it's invalid, more than likely. Not completely, but it's definitely higher risk.
last trade.
That's crazy.
Everything has worked out nicely today, though. Watching the short entries play out, the word retest entry played out perfectly. Now
Yep.
trend entry is playing out perfectly as well with the retest of that pre-market.
Yep. I'm bummed they didn't give us a little higher entry on this last candle.
Hopefully this is showing us what the rest of the week is going to be like, so we know we can give it a try.
I'd like to see a move down in this demand zone and then wake back up with strength. It's very rare that I'll just take a long on when price is still moving down. Even if I like a bounce, I won't just like, all right, guys, I'm in this. I won't say I'm in this level or I'm in this trade when we're straight moving down. I want to see us moving in the direction of the trade most of the time.
Catch the top of that zone.
I want to see us touch 560. 560 was the level I really want. Huh. We got 20 more seconds on this candle.
Look bullish. All right, good. Wasn't quite strong enough to confirm there.
How's the delta on that candle?
Take a look real quick.
And
Negative 62, so barely negative.
Huh.
Basically break even.
Interesting.
Keep in the bottom. Wasn't enough to confirm coming out of that demand.
Only dreaming that you're missing me. I don't trust shorting up here either. I don't trust it. It could work out. Don't trust it. I don't trust it yet.
It'll be disappointing if this continues up here.
I didn't mind longs down here either. I just wanted to see didn't get any retrace. And I would rather seen this candle a little bit more green and pushed up.
Yeah, if Delta had flipped, it would have had enough volume to confirm a bounce. Long entry entry, but
A demand zone. Literally touched it to a T, then moved.
it's going to be one of the days where this is not giving me an entry. The shorts would have been a nice entry, but I was hesitant from being burnt last week.
Yep. Feel that. Only dreaming that you're missing me at home. All right. Still waiting, guys. I'm bummed I didn't take that. Take that entry up at 715. I like the Lucid Pro. I mean, some people really like the Flex too. I think they're both good plans. I just personally prefer the Pro.
Whatever you do, don't go with that 100K,
Nope. 50Ks.
50Ks.
Apex is $35 for your 50K trade of 8. End of day account. Flex does have no consistency after passing. That is true.
It'd just be a no trade day for me.
Yep. We'll see. I'm still waiting. Got about 15, 20 more minutes likely. What did the fox say to the cow? Said, damn, cow, you're pretty big. You need some DOD and code Jdun in your life. You should tap in with that boy Jdun Trades and trade every day and fix your discipline. Trade smart, trade safe, and you'll be eating some A+ grade grass. That's what he said. I think that's what he said, at least. I think that's what he said. Like, pretty sure. Like 99% sure. He said DOD. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Be right back. Hopefully we can get a trade rolling back.
Wish I could make that order fill and send them a message.
Hello.
What's up, G?
What up, Grizzly? What are you doing?
Watching this boring chart.
I know. I don't know what I'm looking for. Honestly, I was thinking about switching to gold for Asia. I've been doing way better at it. Yahoo. Should I full port his account?
There we go, JP.
What's up, bro?
Full port your account.
You do?
I did. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Bro, full ported my account. It's messed up.
Drink your coffee. You'll be good.
I forgot you made that.
Drink your coffee.
Picked up an Apex account over the weekend. Use code Jdun. I appreciate you, bro. What do we do, Grizzly? What do we do? Give me the signal. I missed my signal today, so now I need yours.
I don't know what's gonna do here. The demand bounce I confirmed, and they finally can want to try longs. Look at the 50.
He always asks if I should full port and never does.
Full port, and I'll knock out a lot of profits all at once. That you behind for a year. I don't know, keep climbing up here.
Did the 11 a.m. candle get retraced? Which 11 a.m. candle? Oh, this 5-minute technically. Yeah, touched it, but I didn't take anything.
This pain. Literally just needed like less than needed very few buyers to flip that candle for us getting along.
Yup.
My allergies have been horrible this year. Worse than I remember. I don't know what's going on.
It's tough to say where price wants to go right now. We haven't really seen any volume confirmation back up. Like if we would have had a strong candle right here, I would have taken this pull back down and tried the longs. We didn't get that, so I didn't take it. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get a nice push back to the upside.
Others maybe didn't confirm that demand. That's my main watch. We're right dead center of a 15-minute fair value gap. Bearish one.
It's tough, huh?
Yeah, right at point of controls the middle of it as well.
And at higher volume.
Yeah.
And below VWAP. We got 40 more seconds on this candle. Let's see what they give us.
If it got some volume.
I'm actually not opposed to if we can close this candle strong. It's technically valid. So look for a pullback to like maybe like 650. Stops below like 610 for longs. It's risky with this 15-minute chart. I'm with you.
Yeah, I think I'm going to be done. I'm not risking it bouncing that demand again, and I don't see anything I like here. So, see you all in the morning.
Yep. See you in the morning, bro. Wolves tying the series tonight. You wish. You wish, baby. I'm going to get off in probably like 10 minutes or so. I still think this could give us a setup. Price is moving nice. Ant due to drop 30. Good, let him. Won't be enough. Don't. Oh, this will be interesting to see what it does. I'm a little mixed on where I think price is going to go. Slightly disappointed I missed that 715 entry earlier, but is what it is. It's about to be a bigger drop. It could be. It definitely could be. But Tesla didn't do much today either. Not a great 5-minute continuation pattern. Not a great 5-minute continuation pattern. I would rather seen higher volume on that. For Jdun. Now we can go down. We'll see. I wouldn't count it fully yet. We'll see. Come on, Marcola. I need better execution from you. Right below VWAP, too. Yeah, it's kind of tough to say what we're going to do because we're ejecting off our 50% retracement of the day. But we also had a strong reversal candle here, 2 reversal candles here. And the trend's been up. This is low-key a little sketchy. Possible head and shoulders, maybe. Just made 7.2 mil off that long. Yeah, and pigs are flying outside. Not looking like I'm going to take anything, guys, which is a bummer. But missed that 715 entry up here. That's the one that got away. Definitely going to put that in the journal. Had VWAP, previous day low, retracement. I just hesitated. And then we got a aggressive news candle down. So it's what it is. But hopefully for you guys watching, you got some education from that. And you learned. That's what we can do. That's all you can do sometimes is just you learn from it. I don't hate the longs right here. Just the risk you run, you have less probability because look where we're rejecting off of. Wait, why? There we go. Right at that 50% retracement. That was the high point. I don't hate the longs with the stop at like 605. It's just high risk. We could very well continue the trend down, retrace this 50%, and then move down further. DFD done for day. If I took anything right now, it would be the long. It would have been the longs like 650 with stops at like 606. But Took a big L today. I'll wait till tomorrow. Yep, that's probably right. Are you having fun? Is this filling your life with happiness? I love trading. I love what I do. For sure. I love all the opportunity it's brought myself, my friends, and my family. And I've also used it to help my community as well. So, yes, it's been a net positive for me. Yep. Nope, no trades right now for me. So, what are you talking about? I literally am chilling. We shouldn't take any trades today. At 650 bounce area would be at almost 1-to-1 right now. I still personally like the longs more than the shorts. So I'm going to go ahead and mob off for the day. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD, and I will see you guys potentially for Power Hour, but for sure tomorrow morning, all right? Appreciate y'all being here. Make sure if you haven't already, you tap into that follow button. We had a few good ideas today, no executions, but overall a good session for education, good session for system recognition, and hopefully you all followed your plan and chose DOD. So appreciate you guys subscribing. Make sure you guys check out the YouTube, all the free videos. If you haven't yet, I have a ton of value for you guys there. Jdun Trades on YouTube. And I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. God bless y'all. Peace.